I'm so scared, dude.
Alright guys, so we all know the reason you clicked on this video, probably because of the title. I'm Andrew.
My name's Blake.
And we are going to attempt to do the 9,999 mile an hour fidget spinner. We have our air compressor, but we have our fidget spinner. It kind of broke, but we fixed it with super glue. Then we have like our vice grip so we can hold it and like get it really fast. Then, you know, for every good video you have to have food and Yetis. So, you ready to do this, Blake?
I'm ready.
I'm ready too. That's just showing you how strong this actually is. Like, look, my hat's all the way on.
And most people say, don't try this at home. Most people say, don't try this at home. Try this at home.
What I've seen is you can actually like hurt your finger really bad doing this. I say you gotta get right into it. Alright, so standing still. Oh! Ow! Oh, it hit me! Dude! Oh! Dude! I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding from it. Oh.
Dude!
Guys, it just hit me in the shoulder right there. I'm bleeding.
Dude, it blew up. That's a clean break.
The first try. Does that mean the video's over?
No.
What are we gonna do now?
I got another one.
Safety glasses.
No, don't point it towards. Point it over that way. All right. That's enough. Don't point it towards me. Point it away. All right, go.
Wow, interesting. All right, let's.
Don't point it towards me. Whoa. Here, let me draw it off. Oh my!
Dude, that's so fast.
I'm done. Dummy.
Well, that's gonna wrap up the fidget spinner video. The spinner broke, but you know, overall I had fun making this video. What about you, Blake?
Yeah. Until it broke. Yeah, I had fun.
If you want to follow Blake on Instagram, his link will be in the description below.
My Instagram is Blake C. Tally.
The link for my Instagram is always down below.
I can't do that.
Thank y'all for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed. So until next time, spin on!